CapCut, a very popular and powerful video editing app. Right now, almost everyone is using this app, from small creators to big editors making professional content. But here's the problem. This app gets updates very frequently, and because of that, CapCut Pro just stops working, and you can't use premium features. And I know, that's why you're watching this video. You're frustrated, you're stuck. You're looking for CapCut Pro modded version, right? But wait, is it safe? No, it's not. Because hackers hide dangerous malware inside these mod APKs, and the moment you install it, it silently steals your data, your passwords, your bank information, without you even knowing. But don't worry, because today I'm going to suggest you an app that works just like CapCut Pro, actually even better in some ways. Completely free, no mod, no risk, no stress. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel because you don't want to miss tips and tricks like these. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your Play Store or App Store. Search for kwaicut. I've already downloaded the app on my phone, so the video doesn't get too long, and you don't get bored watching me wait. Go ahead and install it on your side. Take your time, I'll be right here. Now, open it up. When you open the app, this is the interface you'll see. Clean, simple, beautiful. Now look up here. It says all tools free. All tools free. No subscription, no hidden charges. Everything unlocked right from the start. In the middle, you'll see new editing. Tap on that. Now go to your gallery and import a video you want to edit. And now, look at these animation presets. One tap and your video completely transforms. It looks like something a professional spent hours on, but you did it in seconds. All of them free, all of them unlocked, just waiting for you to use them. Now tap on transitions and just look at how many options there are. Smooth, glitch, zoom, fade, every single one free. Look at this, so many default effects, all of them free, all of them unlocked, just waiting for you to use them. And now look at the fonts, so many styles that you won't even find in CapCut, but here, every single one is completely free. With just these features, you can take your content creation to a completely different level, I promise you that. There's so much more I could show you, but I don't want this video to get too long, so I'll save the rest for another day. Once you're done editing, look up here. You'll see it says 1080p. Tap on that and choose whatever resolution you want. Then just tap Done, and boom, your video is exported. Professional quality video, zero watermark, zero mod, completely free. So tell me, why would you ever risk everything with a dangerous mod APK when an app this good is available completely free? If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and share this with that one friend who's still out there searching for mod APKs.